express my mixed emotions and my thoughtlessness. After all, I'm forever in your debt, and woman, I will try to express my inner feelings and thankfulness for showing me the meaning of success.